All right guys, so I'm back with another video to hopefully help you hit your protein goals. This is what I'm gonna eat before I go hit the gym. So all this is, we got 4 egg whites, 1 egg, and then these bagel thins right here. Look at that, still smoking. Just got it off the stove. Now these bagel thins, I've had these in the videos before. If you can find these, get these. Okay, they're only 2 net grams of carbs. So, and one thin also has 9 grams of protein. So 80 calories. Like I said, 2 net carbs. What I do, since it's pre-workout, is I'll throw some of this jelly right here. If you're at Costco, get the big jar. If you're anywhere else, you can get the smaller ones, but this stuff is good. Make sure you measure this out, because if not, you're gonna try to eat this whole jar. But put a serving on these little bagel thins. Like I said, this is pre-workout, so I'm gonna eat this. It's real light, so I won't be too full. I'll be able to, I'll usually eat this about 30, 45 minutes before I go work out. And then just to get something in my stomach, because I'm usually hungry in the morning. Now post-workout, so this right here, 30 grams of protein, okay? Real easy. Like I said, it's light on your stomach. You can go work out. You don't feel like you're too full or anything like that. 30 grams of protein, quick and easy to eat, quick and easy to make too. I mean, made it in like under 10 minutes. Post-workout, of course, I'm gonna, like I've said in plenty of videos, gonna use my Ascent chocolate whey. Today I'm gonna use 2 scoops. So it's gonna get me 50 grams of protein post-workout. All right, just put it in the shaker at the gym, put some water in there, drink it on the way home. That's what I like to do. Right after I work out, I like to drink mine on the way home so that it's already starting to work, and then I get hungry again quicker. So by the time I get home, do some things, and then it'll be time for either a mid-morning snack or just go ahead and eat lunch. It just matters what time I get home. So, right, so once I finish this and that, I'm gonna be at 80 grams of protein already by the morning. So this is before any snack, before any lunch. I'm already at 80 grams of protein. So I just wanted to show you this. So I'll come back later with whatever I'm gonna have for lunch. Don't really know yet. We'll see what happens, but it's definitely gonna be packing some protein. I'm trying to get as much protein I can in so that at the end of the day, I'm not, oh man, I'm under. So if you wanna be 150 pounds, that's your goal, try to get 150 grams of protein, okay? So let's start there. This is just a quick and easy idea. I'm gonna go ahead and eat this, and then I'll probably hit the gym in about 30, 45 minutes. I'll be ready to go. Post-workout shake on the way home, and I'll be ready to either have a mid-morning snack or just go ahead and eat lunch. It just matters how hungry I am. So, all right guys, I'm back from my workout. Let me show you what I made for, I guess, mid-morning / lunch, because I'm so hungry. I got really hungry at the gym when I was working out. Good thing I ate those eggs before I went. So remember, that was 30 grams of protein on the way home. Actually, before I even left the gym, I drank 50 grams protein from Ascent whey, the chocolate whey, on the way home, and I was like, man, I am so hungry. So what I did, I had some lean beef in the fridge. I said, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and make me a salad bowl. All right, so what we have here, check this out. Look at that. This is kind of funny because of asparagus, but so what this is 8 ounces of 96 lean ground beef, okay? And it's an enchilada bowl. I cooked the beef in the enchilada sauce, and I also added my homemade chipotle mango sauce, which I also made a video on. Super easy to make, healthy for you, high protein, gives it a little sweet and spicy flavor. And then I cooked that up. It cooks in minutes. It's beef, so it cooks real quick. What I did was I added some cucumbers. Okay, I had a cucumber in the fridge, and so I chopped up some cucumber. Cucumbers gives it that extra crunch as well. Underneath all this meat is actually, there's lettuce down in there too. Just believe me, it's down in there somewhere. There's so much meat on top. I shredded up some mozzarella cheese, put 1 serving of that on top, and I had some asparagus. And the asparagus, these aren't even cooked. I just eat them like this because it gives it some nice crunch. Asparagus are really good for you. You can cook them up too. They're real easy to cook. So I added some asparagus to give it some more crunch. So the cucumbers, the asparagus, this is all gonna give it all some good crunch. This meat is amazing. I'm telling you, you gotta try it out. Really easy to cook. But this right here, this bowl right here is coming in at 57 grams of protein, all right? Just in one bowl, okay? So this is just a beef enchilada mango chipotle bowl. I guess you can say it's a long name, but really good. You gotta check this out. This is all I'm gonna have right now. So this is gonna put me around, let's just say around 130 to 135 grams of carbs, protein already. And it's, I guess you can call this lunch, but it's still kind of early and it's kind of mid-morning. So I'm probably gonna be getting a little bit hungry before 3. So I'll probably have like some cottage cheese, probably some yogurt with some fruit, honey, like I always show. So that'll give me some more protein there. So I'm easily gonna hit my goals. My goals is to get between 150 and 200 a day, I guess you could say. So this is gonna help me get there. Man, this thing smells so good. It smelled good when I was cooking it. So check this out. It's a really easy recipe to make. I guess I can make a video on me showing how to make it, but I just tell you how to make it. It's so easy. Get you some ground beef, season it up with whatever seasoning you want to. I use enchilada sauce because it's so easy. Just measure it out, pour it in there. Add the peppers in the meat while you're cooking it. Just stir it up till it's almost done. Stick it over some veggies. Stick it over some salad or what, I mean, you can also do like rice if you want more carbs. You can do some, this will taste amazing with some white rice if you want to do that. I'm just keeping it low carb right now. But this is 8 ounces. You don't have to use 8 ounces if you don't want to. This is 8 ounces of lean beef. So it's not gonna sit too heavy on my stomach, but it's really good and it's got all the good stuff in there that you need, okay? So let me know in the comments what you might eat before you work out. If you work out fasted, I used to work out fasted, but now I have to eat something before I go, but I don't want to eat nothing too heavy. So let me know in the comments if you eat something before you work out and what is your kind of post-workout meal. I'm always looking for different ideas, or you just stick to a protein shake, or, you know, just let me know in the comments. Appreciate you watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more health and fitness content like this. Look at that. Man, this joker's gonna be good. I'm about to go tear it up. Let's go.